there, Brandy here with the Details Flowers support team, and today we're going to be going over how to create a standing order in Details to send to Alaska Peony Cooperative. The first step that you'll want to take is to create a new client/event that is going to be specifically for your standing order. So we're going to click on New Client/Event. From there, in the first name field, you can enter in Alaska Peony Standing Order. I'm going to go ahead and skip over all of the client information since in this case it's not really relevant, and I'm going to save and go directly to the event. Next, I'm going to go into the Resources section and I'm going to navigate to the Item Gallery. Once in the item gallery, I'm going to locate the Alaska Peony Cooperative collection and click into it. From here, I can either select individual blooms by clicking the star in the upper right-hand corner, or I can utilize selection mode in the options menu to select multiple items at once. From there, I'm going to click the More option, and then I'm going to add those to my favorites. Next, I'm going to navigate over to the worksheet and build a recipe for the items that I need. You can maintain the same layout that you have on your worksheet and adjust maybe a singular line. Or you can certainly start with a blank worksheet in the options menu by clicking on Blank Worksheet. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave my worksheet as is, and I'm going to add a blank recipe to the line. So I'm going to click on the plus symbol and I'll select Add Blank Recipe. From there, I can drag and drop my items into the recipe as I normally would. From there, I can go ahead and adjust the quantities that I need for this order. For example, if I wanted to order 20 stems of each of these, I would go down and put 20 right into the quantity fields. Another thing that you'll want to be mindful of is making sure that you're having full bunches for your order. So I'm going to go to the menu option and I'm going to go to items used to make sure that I'm using full bunches. I can see that all of my bunches here are in green, telling me that I'm using exact bunches for this recipe. Next, I'm going to go ahead and save at the bottom, and I'm going to save a new version. Once finished, I can go ahead and navigate to the cost page to order my product. Once on the cost page, you'll see the Alaska Peony Cooperative button. If for any reason that you don't see that button, you can go to Set Wholesalers and toggle their button on to Yes. From there, I'm going to go ahead and click into the button. And a box will appear for me to select my items. Since in this case I want to add all of my items, I'm going to click the Check All button at the bottom. Then I'll click Add Items. At the very bottom, I'm going to see my items listed out here, and I can adjust quantities and ask price from this screen as well. Once I've finalized my ask price and quantities, I can go ahead and click the Save and Send button here at the bottom. This is going to send this off to Alaska Peony for them to look at and respond with a quote. In the messages section, I would list out what kind of order you're listing here. So for example, in this case, I would say recurring bi-weekly order. And then I can go ahead and send that off to them. Alaska Peony will be in correspondence with you directly through details to order your products. If you have any questions on this process, please feel free to reach out to support@detailsflowers.com. Thank you so much.